Hi there, it's Jen, and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I am back today for a product reveal, and the product that I'm revealing is this 4x6 stamp set called Always and Forever. There are three main images in the stamp set: the linked pinkies, and then you have a smaller one that has an older couple, and then the biggest stamp set in the set is the couple with the umbrella. And then there are 5 sentiments and then 2 kind of sentiments that work together, and those are Pinky Swear, Always and Forever, Soulmates, You Will Forever Be My Always, Happy Anniversary, and To One of the Cutest Couples Ever. And here are several cards that I made. I apologize, I usually stamp out the image, and when I was editing it I realized I did not do that, but here are several samples that I have created so far using the stamp set. I also have some other products from this new release, and all of the products that I used on these cards will be linked below. And you can check out all of the product reveals as well as the inspiration from the YouTube design team, as well as on the Whimsy Facebook page. I will have all of those links below as well. Thanks for joining me for this product reveal, and I'll see you next time.